Hey guys, TechMentor wrote the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error message. This Apple ID has not been used in iTunes or App Store. You might get this message depending on the iOS version you're in, and we're going to explain to you why you're getting this message and how to quickly fix it so you can use your iPhone. So most likely you're seeing this error whenever you're looking to download an app from the App Store, or if you're trying to do something with your Apple ID. But this is a quick fix. So this is what you'll do. So if you get that message, you're gonna open up settings here. So once you open up settings, you'll get to a screen just like this. Most likely you'll see your name up here with your Apple ID. You're already signed in, you're trying to use it. You're gonna go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're gonna get this screen over here. Now you'll see an option right here where it says payment and shipping. So we want to click on payment and shipping. So it's going to load here just like that. So I'm going to move it away from the screen because it's going to show some personal information. But basically, once you get there, it's going to be just like this. You might get a menu already just like this where it's going to ask for maybe your billing address if you didn't enter your billing address, or your payment method, which you can select credit or debit or PayPal here, and you want to fill that information in because Apple requires that. It might not charge you or do anything, it's just that they need a payment option for that account. Or you might see another screen. So if we go back here, let me just show you a second. So if you get this screen, you can also hit that back option. So we'll click on that back option. So let me click on that back option, and then here, once you click the back option, you also might see a screen like this, or you might already see a screen just like that where it's going to ask for a payment method. You're going to click on that and add a payment method that they require and add a shipping address. Now you can also use a shipping address as well. You're going to make sure you have both of these information, because when you set up a new Apple ID, these are the information Apple requires. Although they're not going to charge you for downloading apps or anything like that, most apps are free. You still need to put that information because that's how Apple determines your account is pretty much valid. So you want to go ahead and click through this and then add it. So for example, if I click add payment method here, so I'm going to do that. So when you add payment method, it's going to be to that screen here. Like I said, you're going to want to use PayPal or your card, whatever works. Now let's go back again. And then the other option you can click here, you'll probably notice, is add a shipping address. We're going to click on this now. And you can see here, you can enter this information right like that with the shipping, but make sure you have both of this information filled out. Let's say if you're out of the country or the US, you might want to pick a US address. It doesn't have to be like a real address. Sometimes you can get away with putting in address of someone that you know in the US, or some address from the US if you want to get around this. So those are a couple things you want to do. Now let's go back. Now this is the first thing you want to do, and then go back to the App Store and see if you can download it this time, and that hopefully that error message goes away. But if you still have that issue with the error message, so we're going to show you another thing you can do. Let's go ahead and close out. We're going to close that out. So we're going to go into settings again. This time we're going to go settings. But this time, when you click on settings, we click on our name again. This time, the option we want to go to is media and purchases. We're going to click on media and purchases. And what we're going to do is here, go ahead and sign out. So we're going to sign out of our account through here. Again, that's going to be just to show you guys through media and purchases. We're going to go ahead and sign out. And then we're going to sign out of that. Once we sign out of that, this time what we're going to do is go to the App Store. And once we go to the App Store, it's probably going to give you a message like you're going to hit continue here. You're going to just go through it. And this time around, we're going to go ahead and find this icon, basically profile icon. It might be at the bottom for you, but most likely it'll be top right hand corner. You're going to click on that. This time you're going to sign into your Apple ID and password through this menu here. So we're going to go ahead and sign in again with the Apple information here really quick. So you're going to put your personal information, right? Your Apple ID and passwords right there. So once you put that in, let me just put that in. Once you put that in, we're gonna hit that sign in option, click on that, wait for it to come up, and you should be signed in. Or if it doesn't sign in right away, it's gonna ask you to review your account information, which it'll again give you this same message. We're gonna hit review and figure out exactly what you need to put in, whether it be shipping or payment. Most likely either one, but you'll need to have both of them for you to get past that. And after that, you should be able to start using your Apple ID, and you shouldn't have any issues. And all of the apps that you want to download, you can go ahead and start downloading. So hopefully these tips that we share with you guys help you guys fix your problem. And if so, make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.